we recently have been studying world religions, the major religions, their origins, and yeah, we have been creating a Google sites about it. And yeah, so I'm going to talk to you about two of the major religions that we have been studying. So first, Judaism started because this man called Abraham and his wife believes in God, and they had a covenant with him that if they believe in only him and share his word and spread his word, he will give him and the descendants a promised land. That promised land is called Canaan, which is current Israel. So yeah, they go there. 40 years later, they arrive, and they needed to have a son so that they can continue like what they have been doing. So they tried to have a son, but Sarah is not able to get pregnant, so their maid Agar was it like the only option. So they had Ishmael. Later on, Sarah did got pregnant and had Isaac. Sarah sent away Sarah sent away Ishmael and Agar because she felt jealous. So she sent them away, and Ishmael started to guide in the Arab Muslim religion, and he was the one who guided them. And later on, Isaac took the Judaism religion, and he was like the new Abraham. And then, so this is the slide or the part of the sides of Judaism. There are different things about each topic of Judaism. And then I'm going to talk to you about Christianity. So, what is Christianity? So, first, Christianity is a religion based on Jesus of Nazareth's life, teachings, and death. It's one of the major religions in the world and one of the most ancient. Currently, it's the largest religion in the world. And yeah. So, the Christians have a Bible, which is like their holy book, where every teaching is written down there. And yeah. In Christianism, there are 12 apostles that are people who promote God's word. Yeah. So Christianity also started from the basis of Judaism, and by time, it became another religion, but with the same basis of Judaism. So it has the same origin. And these are two religions, and this is now I'm gonna show you like the complete Google sites that we have been working on, which has all of the information. And it's not done, but it's very advanced. So this is the principal page. This is the Judaism. This is the Christianity. Here explains it all. Very good. Then we have the Islam religion, the history, its origins, and the expansion of it. Then we have the Hinduism, which is the one we just concluded. So yeah, this is my work so far of language, and this is what we have been studying. So yeah, thank you.